Hey guys, it's Sawyer, and today I'm going to be opening this 5 surprise toy mini brands to see what I get. I'm really excited to see what I get. There we go. Yeah. Okay. Now I have to open the second code. Let's see what we get. Okay, let's take off this first. Whoop! Well, it just came out by itself. Would you like some orange slices? Okay, let's open up the first code. Little slide. Okay. Ooh, I got a Super Ball. It says, ooh, whammo. Whoa. It's so small. That would be fun for the dolls to play with. Okay, we can take this section. Okay, let's see what we get in this one. Ooh, I got a Metal Machines car. Super cool. That'd be fun for my boy, my life, or my generation dolls. What? Oh. Is this a shopping cart? Ooh, they can build a shopping cart. I got pieces. That's actually could be really fun. Okay, let's see what's in this. Ooh, itty bitty pretties. They look so cute, like a cup of tea. This is so cute. I think the girl dolls would have fun with this. Ooh, we got our checklist. I'll check off the stuff we need to later. The last one. Hey Arnold. Nickelodeon. Hey guys, I'm back and I am going to open up this another 5 surprise toy mini brand. Let's see what I get in this one. Came off like a charm. Let's see. Let's see. There it is. There we go. Okay. Would you guys like some oranges slices? Okay, let's see what's inside the first slice. Okay. Potion slime surprise. Ooh. Pretend my dolls are playing with slime. Or a potion. Or we can do it with a potion. The witch ones. That'd be really cool. Let's see what's inside this one. See if I get any luck. Ooh. What is this? Okay. Well, it looks like it's a shelf. I just made it. That is really cool. I really like that. Okay, now let's see what's in here. Ooh, I got a Shine doll from Shimmer and Shine. I think she's really pretty and tiny. She's very tiny.
Ooh, shimmer shine.
Let's see what's in this one. Da-da-da-Dora, da-da-da-Dora.
You got a doll?
Yeah, I got a Dora doll.
Doesn't she normally come packaged?
Hola, soy Dora. And there's the second checklist. Check on it later. I've always wanted the little Dora one. Oh, that's really cute. Let's see what's in this 5 surprise. What is this? Mini watercolors. And I am going to be opening this 5 surprise toy mini brand. Let's see what I get inside. I'm really excited. I want to see. Okay, let's see what I get. Let's pop these out. Pop all the orange slices. All these orange slices. Okay, first let's open this slice. And woo, we have more pieces. Woo, I'm excited.
What could that be?
It's kind of like a shopping cart, but it's kind of like a little cart. There you go. Okay, let's see what we get in this little slice. I'm really excited. Ooh, a frisbee. I love frisbees. I haven't played with them in a long time, but really, I love frisbees. Got a red frisbee. That's really cool. Okay, let's see what I get in this one. Ready to, oh, Blaze Speedway. Ready to roll. Oh, I think this is supposed to be an action figure. Ooh. A puzzle or an action figure. That is really cool. Ooh, washable tempera art. Crayola. And then, of course, we have our checklist. We will look at the checklist later. Now the last little orange slice. Let's see what I can get. Another shine. The shine figure.
It's the same one?
Yeah.
Oh.
See, we have 2. That's a really cool though. I really like her from Shimmer and Shine. Well, I hope you guys liked this video. Bye!